Hey everybody, this is Luke from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of the Uniden SDS100 digital police scanner. So we'll take it apart, we'll see what's inside so you can check out all the components. In later videos we'll go through tips, tricks, how to program the SDS, everything, but today we'll just unbox it so you can see what all is included. So the SDS came out in June 2018, and it's Uniden's replacement of the old BCD 436 HP. So you get a little literature, English manual, French manual, toss those aside. So you get the SMA to BNC adapter at the top. You get the AC adapter, so you can charge it in the wall in the US and Canada, the USB input. Here's the battery pack. This is the charging cable, so this goes from the USB into the scanner itself. There's the hands-free cable, so it goes around the edge, put it on your wrist. This is the belt clip, so it attaches to the back of the scanner, clip it into your belt. The last item is the antenna. This antenna just screws on top. And then, of course, the scanner itself. So let's go through a quick overview of what's actually on the scanner itself. Again, in later videos, we'll go through how to set the scanner up, how to program the SDS100, tips, tricks, everything. So it comes with a clear plastic screen. Here's you can screw the antenna in on the top. There's the earphone jack. Multifunction scroll, so tab in, scroll. Here's the function key, the menu. Obviously it's not powered on, so those aren't going to do anything right now. Here's where your clip would go on the back. Here's the USB inputs, so it has the two. So the one that obviously is labeled charge is where you plug in your cable to charge your device, either via the AC adapter or your computer or anything else with the USB input. And then the second input here, this is for if you would like a GPS device, this is where this input would go. The cable's not included, nor is the GPS device, so it is GPS ready, but if you want to use that, you have to buy the device and the cable, but that's where that input goes. So looking more, the SDS100 is waterproof. So to get that, they changed the way it's a setting. So they in the US, so you have to meet qualifications of time underwater, depth, things like that. So they changed the battery input on these a little bit. So it's a little more challenging to take off. So just in the back here, this is just where the battery goes. So you plop it in here, and then this is your SD card. Like all Uniden scanners, you just gotta be careful with these. It locks out. This is your 8 gigabyte SD card, which comes with it, which comes with all the US frequencies on it. So that's it. Again, this is just a quick overview, what's included with your SDS100, just a quick unboxing video. In later videos, we'll show you how to do more stuff. So if you like this video or you have any questions, leave comments below. Send any questions to us at Zip Scanners, where we're open 7 days a week. And again, this is Luke from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy with free shipping, no taxes, and lifetime technical support from experts like me. Thank you.